Guys, I'm going to do a YouTube video of me just kind of walking around the creek today. Look at the bridge. This is going to be a very short little walk since the area that I'm allowed to walk at is not very far. Considering this bridge here is very rickety and then it ends up there with a house. And which is also, I mean, I can walk by the house. And then there's just really high weeds. So there's this bridge here. And as you can see, there's, I don't know, this the stacking up of these rocks. Before my family members on this, apparently this was still here as well. And it's supposed to be like a sawmill. There's a tree that grew there. Past there, there's a crap word, gas station. There's a way that goes up through there. Okay, come on. As you can see, there's garbage. Lots of it. Stuff washes up. Or my uncle's junk pile. Oh, if you just want to know, as a little fun fact, the German word for creek is Bach, like, you know, like the famous musician. That's just a thought. Dude, that's in High German. I know in the Pennsylvania German dialect, it's still just creek, as it's adopted a lot of words. Now, sometimes there's fish in this creek. It's up that way. So it gets pretty deep right there. I mean, not too deep. I don't think it could drown me. Unless I'm knocked over. Like, it's probably up to, I don't know, my shoulders, though. I mean, if it flooded, it gets up to the, you know, the sheds here. I'm not sure what kind. My cousin normally fishes over there. He catches stuff a lot of the time, normally. The only reason I think some of them, the only way some of the fish get out, though, is, when it does flood. I've thrown rocks in here to try to dam it up because I've wanted to get it deeper. There used to be an island up the creek, right? Oh crap. What the hell is that? I thought that was a snake over there. At least I don't think. I'm pretty sure that's just leaves. Yeah. It used to be less deep. I don't know if you can see these, like this rock here. That used to be above it. It says for when it flooded. There was an island kind of far up the creek that my cousin had taken out so it wouldn't flood as heavily. All it really did was raise the water levels. Also, another family member owns up there. I mean, I don't think there's a way to get over there without me getting wet, and I don't want to get wet. Here's an old car, if you want to look at it. I think it was owned by my grandfather. Well, my great-grandfather. that's it.